Welcome back to the channel. Here we are on the Bamboo Lab A1 and we just printed off another stack of Christmas trees printed out of Polymakers Polyterra. We had black, green, red, and purple. We're just going to rip these off the build plate real fast. Okay. Here's our tower. Doesn't look too hateful. I do like how we have the interconnecting colors on all of the different layers. And then because it is Christmas, we also printed 4 more. So we have a total of 8. And don't forget, if you like our content, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.